I don't know how it will go, but the interesting part to see is one ex-captain playing under the current captain. So let's see how that works out.
And what about you? Even after having a stronger run this time, you are still not playing.
Yeah, because I don't want to waste my titanium on this now.
So, sir,
Yes, sir.
so finally you are playing.
You told no.
Why do you make all these fake plans?
Man proposes and God disposes. That's it. Only
Which
you.
team you are in?
Finally, I am in Thunders.
You are in Thunder. Who is the captain? Keshav.
Mr. Keshav.
What about the practice? Thunders are doing practice. This
I
time?
was practicing
I think,
no, no.
you coming at the last moment. You are the person who has done most of the practice.
I was practicing as a core. Now I am practicing as Thunders.
Last message for Keshav.
Please win and come. Don't disappoint me.
Thank you. You are going to win. Okay. So let's start.
I think we have practiced a lot over the weeks, and then like I kind of believe in my team that yes, we are gonna win actually. Like
Yes
बोलो
sir.
कुछ यार.
टीम बहुत अच्छी है और इस बार हम जीत रहे हैं. ट्रॉफी हमारे घर पे है.
घर पे है और समर भाई टी शर्ट भी चेंज हो गया नया सीजन है. आर यू गोइंग टू विन दिस सीजन?
Hope so.
It's always been very close.
Yeah, always been very close, but this time I think we have a great team.
Why?
Because a lot of youngsters are there,
Lot of youngsters.
and hope they will make it up for us.
One member is out of the team. Will that help or not? You know whom I'm talking about.
No, actually, you're talking about Vishnu, right?
Yes.
Obviously, he was a core member of the Metallica for a long time. Obviously, we are losing him, but wherever he goes, actually, he will just add the extra benefit to that team.
What about your fitness? How fit are you?
I always be the same mood actually. Nothing actually goes wrong in that way when I move into the field. But I'm okay.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
और केशव भाई. हाँ भाई. आशीष भाई के जाने का दुख ज्यादा है या अंकित और रोहित जैसे अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर मिल गए उसका?
अंकित और रोहित आने का खुशी है, लेकिन आशीष भाई के जाने का दुख उतना ही है क्योंकि उनके साथ खेलने का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत है और एक्सपीरियंस के साथ साथ उनसे वो बहुत मिलता है कि सपोर्ट बहुत मिलता है कि व्हाट कैन बी डन, व्हाट कैन नॉट बी डन. और कई बार बाईपास ओवर पास भी कर देते कि हाँ नहीं नहीं ऐसा ही करना है, ऐसा चेंज कर देते हैं, नहीं इसको कराना है. मेरे और उनके नहीं मिलते तो वो हम लोगों के बीच में वो रहता है कि हाँ उनने बोला तो चलो ऐसा कर लेते. लेकिन अब वो देखते हैं कैसा है. लेकिन अंकित और रोहित से हमेशा बना है, स्पेशली अंकित से क्योंकि इतने सालों से खेल रहे हैं. तो आई वॉज ऑलवेज होपिंग कि अंकित को टीम में लेना है. फॉर्चुनेटली ऐसे आया कि मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ी कि खरीदना पड़ा. लेकिन अंकित को ऑलवेज फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी था कि अगर कभी भी उसमें आता क्या बोलते हैं ऑप्शन में, तो ही विल बी द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी आई विल टेक. नो अदर पर्सन आई विल टेक. अंकित इज द क्योंकि एक वाइब मिलता है. कोई और पर्सन जो होता है तो ऐसा नहीं मिलता. जैसे अंकित है, नेगी है, इन लोगों से एक मिलता है कि हाँ ये अपने ही टाइप के हैं. ऐसा नहीं लगता कि नहीं यार इनसे मैं कुछ बोलूंगा या कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा. तो सोचना है, इनको बोलने के लिए सोचना नहीं है.
बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं थंडर इज माय फेवरेट.
अच्छी बात है, फेवरेट है. मैं चाहूंगा कि जीतूं यार.
आशीष भाई को ओपनिंग में रिप्लेस कौन करेगा?
ये थोड़ा सा चेंजेस है, अभी मैं रिवील नहीं करना चाहूंगा. कुछ है चेंजेस स्ट्रेटजी. आई विल कीप इट सीक्रेट फॉर द मूवमेंट एट द मैच डायरेक्टली.
Last message for Rajat. Metallica.
Rajat, I have not made plan for anyone specifically because we are playing from long time. So as
खेल
such,
पाएगा वो Metallica?
हाँ खेल पाएगा, लेकिन कितना खेल पाएगा थोड़ा सा देखना मुश्किल है. देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि रजत का और विजय का बहुत अलग तरीके का गेम प्लान है. इट्स नॉट इजी टू कि वो मैचअप नहीं होता है. जैसे वेंकट सर की बात रजत बहुत तेज सुन लेता है. एक बार उन्होंने बोला तो वो कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, लेकिन जब वो
साफ तरीके से बोलो. रजत का विजय का तरीका मैच नहीं है.
दोनों में
अरे
अभी
बोलो.
हाँ है, बिल्कुल नहीं है.
बोलो पूरा.
वो हस्बैंड वाइफ वाले मटेरियल नहीं है. अब वो
नाम लो.
रजत का और विजय का बिल्कुल नहीं है मैच करता. लेकिन उन्होंने इंटरकास्ट मैरिज की है तो देखते हैं कि कैसा चलता है. जरूरी है ऐसा नहीं होता है. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हाँ हमारी तरीके के लोग. उन्होंने स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट को हायर किया है एज पर देम. देखते हैं कितनी स्ट्रेटेजी होती है.
हर शादी
सक्सेसफुल हो ये जरूरी नहीं होता है. देश में डाइवोर्स बढ़ रहे हैं तो शायद नेक्स्ट सीजन में डाइवोर्स हो जाए.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
So the captain, why do you think you will win this match? इस बार कैसे जीतोगे और क्यों?
I think we have a very good team, a very young team actually.
Young मतलब कौन है?
Hari, Adi, Slow, Aryant, Utsav. So they all are young and doing very good on the field. Be it batting, bowling, fielding, everything is good. So yeah, we have a good chance to win the game. Let's see how they perform on the ground. It depends.
तो विष्णु भाई फाइनली निकल गए यार टीम से. हाँ? कैसे तुम लोग इमोशनली खुद को कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हो?
हमने ट्राई किया था हमारा, बट
नहीं हो पाया.
they bit more, they got him, but we have a good team. We have young players, we got new players as well, so let's see how it will go. We'll give our 100%.
तुम यंगर में से ओल्डर है सब.
हाँ.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, रजत को कैसे हैंडल करोगे? कुछ बात हुआ रजत के साथ?
हाँ बात हुआ है. Like he is very much interested and he now is mingling with the team on call actually, not with the team but yeah with me. So we'll see. It's a new experience with a different thought process. But yeah, we'll see.
Best of luck, Vijay.
Yeah, thank you.
Raghav, you have led the fantasy league list for 4 weeks. How do you feel about it?
I mean, this is my second season playing the fantasy league. I also think this is the second season of the whole fantasy league. I don't know how I came front. I think I made one mistake using too many transfers, and probably I'll just come back in the playoffs.
Come back in the playoffs.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Will you be in the first 3, first 5 or first 10, top 10?
My goal is to be in the top 5. If I be in the top 5, my goal is to be top 3. That's it.
Okay, give it to Suresh.
Yeah.
Suresh. Suresh, when are you going to use your boosters, man?
I have used.
Don't understand your strategy.
No, it is. I generally don't follow what everyone thinks. Okay, my policy is completely different when it comes to fantasy. So I have used 2 boosters. If you observe, I have used 2. 1 foreign players and 1 free hit. 1 foreign players and 1 free hit I have done. So you will see. There are 11 more matches. You will see the boosters how it will be used.
So among the players that you are playing with, who do you think are your opponents, main opponents?
Fantasy League, I think Babani is going good. I am targeting Babani only, my target. Apart from Babani and you are there, and Venkat also is there, but I need to see how I'll manage this to cross you.
Which team gives you more return? IPL team.
IPL teams, RCB.
RCB has given you more points. After that,
After RCB, mostly LSG.
okay. Some foreign players and some Indian players will give good points from here on. As per you.
As per me,
That's fine. That's fine.
there are no concepts.
Foreign players.
Foreign players, coming to foreign players, today's match, every team has 2 matches, right? Okay. Foreign players, mostly, I am going with English. Josh English will give LSG. English, apart from English, with the SRH head is going to, you see that in my fantasy also, head is going to break, at least score 1 century, I believe. Yeah, he will score a
Indian
century.
players will give more points in playoff.
Playoff.
He is not going to play.
Yes, Indian players, if you come, first comes in my mind is Virat Kohli. He is always, everyone backs him, he is always there in the list. Apart from Virat Kohli, we need to see if SRH comes or not. It is too dicey. Even Sunday, the CSK is dicey now. If CSK comes, then chances with Samson or Rudraj, because Rudraj did not play, but at least 1 match he will score good. So I am hoping he will score good.
Alright, Suresh, best of luck.
Thank you.
ओहो, ये दुख सही नहीं जा रही है. Different teams, Ankit?
Different team, but after all, AV United.
Why, man? Why did you leave?
We did not live, it's destiny.
Destiny?
Yeah. Because it's all cheats.
How,
So we had to
how are you going to win without Ankit this time?
We have different plans. The plans
some
are,
hints
yeah.
first, give some ideas.
We have Sai also. Yeah, we have Vishal also. So they'll be taken care of.
Ankit, revenge will be taken.
I mean, we will win all the matches. It's up to the opponent. If it's up to the opponent, if they think if it is a revenge, then it's a revenge. But with Panthers, it will be a bit emotional for me. But with other teams, we'll give a tough fight. And of whatever happens, that will happen on the field. Off the field, we are brothers and family.
Suresh, what about your fitness? All fit, good to go?
I am still recovering, but yeah, I'll give my 100% once I get into the field. Yeah.
We are behind you, Suresh. Come on,
Thank
get
you.
fit. Last message for Rajesh. हिंदी में.
मिलते हैं ग्राउंड पे.
ये हमारे करता धरता AVPL के 12 सीजन से AVPL को चला रहे हैं. सर जी 12 सीजन हो गया, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कुछ इंप्रूव हुआ है, अभी भी chaotic है.
We exist in chaos. We love chaos. We enjoy it.
Last message before the season start. I think the draws are also already completed.
Let the games begin. What else? Have fun.
Thank you.